Hey everyone, Zekrom EX here. We're working on this top edge. So I just want to show you guys what it looks like under the microscope. So you can see it's all dented right there, peeled up. It's hard to get it where you can tell that it's peeled up, but there's a little bit. So what we're going to try to do is bring that down when we go to clamp it. So we'll use the card tool on that. And we have the Dialga. Trying to fix this corner bend. Let's see what it looks like under the microscope as well. It's harder to see. Let's see if I can turn off that light. I can see it right there. How's it look on the front? I don't see any missing paint or anything, so I think this one I'm pretty excited for because I think we could get this one looking really good. Looks pretty bad though. Alright, let's put this, let's start with this one. Let's put it in my sleeve. I'm just going to flip this over. Let's go down a little bit. There we go. Let's work on this edge. I'm not going to do too much because I know I'm going to just put it in the clamps, so I think that'll help a lot. I still think it looks about the same. Might be a touch better, but not as much as I want. So let's just put it in the clamp. Let's do that. Do 2 squares in front. Cut it down. I'm going to focus more on this side, so I'm going to spread it out, but I'm going to get the most of the moisture on this. Put it right on top of that corner. Push it down, together, side. And then I'm only going to put one clamp on it tonight because really what this is just getting moisture in the card, not fully flattening it out yet. All right, that one's gonna go for probably 24 hours until we check it. The pads will probably be dry. The card will absorb most of that moisture. And hopefully it comes out good. All right, let's grab another penny sleeve. Just want to work on this one a little bit. I know I did the other day too, but and it didn't do much. So I don't have my hopes too high. Yeah, I can still see it pretty well. Put it on camera. Yeah, okay. I can see that. Let's see if we can even. Can you see right there? Let's hold off just a little bit. Trying to get that back together. So. I'm not sure if moisture is going to help much. I think this one I'm actually just going to put it in the penny sleeve and clamp it. Let me grab a cloth. Wipe everything down. Oh, wrong side. All right, everything's wiped down. Let me grab that here. Okay, penny sleeve. It's clean. Card is clean. Wipe. There. Top. Okay. So, kind of pull that back. If we clamp this, that looks better. So I'm going to place the clamp right on top of it. And again, with this one, it's only going to be one. Right there. All right. We'll take a look at it tomorrow and see how it comes out. Thanks for watching.